Do your minor children have godparents? If they do you think that if having these godparents for your minor children would be enough if something ever happened to you? Well, stick around. I'm about to go over the answer to this question. Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I am the estate planning mom, and my name is Krista Hermans. I am an estate planning attorney licensed in California, and I help families with minor children protect their children and families through estate planning. I am giving away a free download, 5 common mistakes to avoid when naming guardians for your minor children. So make sure to grab the link below. So today we are talking about godparents that you may or may not have named for your minor children, and whether having those godparents named are enough that if something ever happened, would your children be protected and be able to go to those godparents? The answer to that question is no. By having godparents for your minor children, the court has no idea from a legal perspective that these are people that you would actually want to be guardians for your children. And I hear people say this so often: oh, I don't have to worry about nominating guardians. My kids already have godparents. We've already done everything. And that's just not true. It's the same thing also if you have, parents or siblings or friends that if something ever happened, that they would step in to raise your children. But without having legal documentation, without having a guardian nomination form completed, where you write the people that you would want in the order that you would want them, and get it signed and get it notarized or witnessed or whatever is the requirement where you are located, there's nothing that the court has to show that these are the people that you would want to raise your children. So by just knowing that, oh, well, I have godparents or I have parents that'll do it, it's just not enough for at least the court to know. Because what happens if you didn't have anything in writing and something happened, and you know that the godparents or your parents would step forward and they were to petition the court? Well, what if somebody else who you would never want to be guardians for your children petition the court? At this point, the court has no idea what your wishes are, because there's nothing from you in writing, legally in writing, that says who you want to be the guardians. So the court is going to look at them to see, who's in the best interest of the child. And the court, again, has no idea what your wishes are, because you didn't complete a nomination form actually saying who you would want to be the guardians. Okay? That's why it is so important to get a guardianship nomination form completed for all of your children, so that if something ever happened, your wishes would be documented legally, that the court would be able to look at it and say, this is who they wanted to be guardians, so that there's no question. If you need help in nominating guardians for your minor children, please reach out to us and we can go over the process with you and make sure that you have a plan in place to protect your kids. And don't forget that I am giving away a free download, 5 common mistakes to avoid when naming guardians for your minor children. Make sure to sign up at the link below, and please comment with any questions that you may have about guardianship. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.